Welcome to Fort Myers Beach after Hurricane Ian. It looks like a nuclear bomb went off. The thing you realize quickly is that these are people's family homes and they're just torn apart. Garbage is left everywhere in stacks and piles. The 7-Eleven is where I used to get caffeine before I'd go street perform and do magic. So many good family memories were made here. Look at these boats. How many dreams have been lost in Fort Myers Beach? This used to be a busy tourist town, and now the streets are desolate. The snowbirds are gone. There's no more happy hour anymore. All that's left is destruction. It's really shocking to see the damage on the inside. There's nothing left. The walls are crumbling. The windows are gone. Tourists are starting to come back, but just to assess the damage. There's nothing left, not even a restaurant for miles. This pier used to go out, you'd pay $2 to go see the dolphins. This restaurant here, completely destroyed. No walls are even left. But there's still kids playing. And this is where I used to street perform. Times Square. We're Florida strong. Fort Myers Beach will come back and it'll be better than ever.